Forget Paris, Rome, or New York, been there, done that. Let's talk about the road less traveled, the places that whisper, not shout, the unexpected, the unexplored. That's where the real adventure lies. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into the soul of a destination, raw, authentic, and unforgettable. Are you ready? Let's go.
Ethiopia, land of ancient history. Here, carved into the earth itself, lies Lalibela. 11 monolithic churches hewn from solid rock, a testament to faith and human ingenuity. Imagine descending into these subterranean temples. The scent of incense hangs in the air. Whispers of prayers echo through the chambers. A profound sense of peace washes over you. This is a journey back in time.
Tucked away in the North Atlantic, a secret awaits. The Faroe Islands. This archipelago, often overlooked, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and serene landscapes. Imagine a place where time seems to stand still, where the hustle and bustle of modern life fades away, leaving you with nothing but the raw, unspoiled beauty of nature. Rugged cliffs plunge into the churning sea. These cliffs, carved by the relentless forces of nature over millennia, stand as silent sentinels guarding the islands. The waves crash against them with a ferocity that is both terrifying and mesmerizing, a testament to the power of the ocean. Waterfalls cascade from dizzying heights. These waterfalls, some of the most dramatic in the world, are a sight to behold. They tumble down steep cliffs, their waters sparkling in the sunlight, creating a symphony of sound that echoes through the valleys. Each waterfall has its own unique character, some gentle and serene, others wild and untamed. The air is crisp, clean. Breathing it in, you feel invigorated, as if the very essence of the islands is filling your lungs. The purity of the air is a stark contrast to the pollution of the cities, a reminder of what the world once was and what it could be again. The silence, broken only by the cries of seabirds. These birds, with their haunting calls, add to the sense of isolation and tranquility. They soar above the cliffs, their wings catching the wind, their cries echoing across the landscape. It's a sound that is both lonely and comforting, a reminder that you are not alone in this wild, beautiful place. And the colors. Oh, the colors. Emerald green hills, sapphire blue fjords, and the ever-changing hues of the sky. The landscape is a painter's palette, a riot of colors that change with the seasons, the weather, and the time of day. The green of the hills is so vibrant it almost seems unreal, while the blue of the fjords is deep and mysterious, inviting you to explore their depths. Villages painted in vibrant hues. These villages, with their brightly colored houses, are a splash of color against the green and blue backdrop. Each house is a work of art, painted in bold, cheerful colors that reflect the spirit of the people who live there. The villages are small, close-knit communities, where everyone knows everyone else, and the pace of life is slow and relaxed. This is a landscape that will steal your breath away. Every view, every vista is a postcard come to life. The beauty of the Faroe Islands is not just in their physical appearance, but in the feeling they evoke. It's a sense of peace, of connection to nature, of being part of something larger than yourself. The Faroe Islands are not just a place to visit, but a place to experience, to immerse yourself in, and to carry with you long after you've left.
Everyone knows Machu Picchu. It's the crown jewel of Peru, a symbol of the Inca civilization's grandeur and ingenuity. Tourists from all over the world flock to its ancient stone structures, marveling at its beauty and historical significance. But high in the Andes, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies another Inca marvel, Choquequirao, the cradle of gold. This hidden gem is often referred to as Machu Picchu's sister city, yet it remains far less visited, preserving an air of untouched wonder. Reached only by a grueling trek that tests the limits of even the most seasoned adventurers, this ancient city rewards those who dare to seek it out. The journey to Choquequirao is not for the faint-hearted. It involves steep climbs, rugged terrain, and a descent into deep valleys, but the effort is worth every step. Stone terraces cling to the mountainside, a testament to the Incas' architectural prowess and their ability to harmonize with nature. These terraces were used for agriculture, allowing the Inca to cultivate crops at high altitudes, a feat that still amazes modern engineers and historians. Llamas graze in the shadows of crumbling temples, adding a touch of life to the ancient ruins. These animals, once vital to the Inca for transportation and wool, now serve as a living link to the past, wandering freely among the remnants of a once great civilization. The ghosts of the Inca Empire whisper on the wind, telling tales of a time when Choquequirao was a bustling hub of activity. The city was a place of refuge and a ceremonial center, where the Inca performed rituals and celebrated their gods. This is a place of mystery and magic, where the past feels palpably close. The landscape, with its dramatic vistas and serene beauty, invites contemplation and a sense of connection to the ancient world. Choquequirao is not just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of Inca history, a place where the spirit of the past lingers in every stone and whispering breeze.
Close your eyes. Picture endless steps stretching to the horizon, the wind whipping through your hair, the sound of hooves pounding the earth. This is Mongolia, land of nomads and wild horses. Sleep in a jer, a traditional felt tent. Share stories with nomadic families. Ride across the plains, the wind at your back. Here, freedom reigns supreme.
Off the coast of Yemen, an island like no other emerges from the sea, Socotra. Trees with bulbous trunks and blood-red sap dot the landscape. Strange birds with iridescent feathers flit through the air. It's like stepping onto another planet. Hike through canyons carved by ancient rivers, swim in crystal-clear waters, experience the raw beauty of a world untouched by time.
Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula is no secret. But just off the coast, a hidden gem awaits. Isla Holbox. No cars, no crowds. Just sandy streets, colorful houses, and the turquoise waters of the Caribbean. Swim with whale sharks, gentle giants of the sea. Kayak through mangroves teeming with life. Savor fresh seafood under a canopy of stars. This is paradise found.
Deep in the heart of Germany, a fairy tale unfolds. The Black Forest. Towering pines cast long shadows. Mist hangs heavy in the air, lending an air of mystery. Hike through ancient forests, past gushing waterfalls and hidden lakes. Indulge in Black Forest cake, a local delicacy. Listen for the sound of cuckoo clocks echoing through the trees. This is a place where magic still whispers.
Section 8. Land of Fire and Ice. Kamchatka Peninsula. Russia's far east holds a land of extremes. The Kamchatka Peninsula, a place where the raw power of nature is on full display. Here, volcanoes spew fire and ash, creating a dramatic and ever-changing landscape. The peninsula is home to over 300 volcanoes, 29 of which are still active, making it one of the most volcanically active regions in the world. Geysers erupt in plumes of steam, shooting boiling water high into the air. The Valley of Geysers, one of the largest geyser fields in the world, is a testament to the geothermal activity that shapes this land. Brown bears roam free, fishing for salmon in the pristine rivers and streams. Adventurers can hike to the edge of volcanic craters, peering into the depths of the earth. The treks are challenging but rewarding, offering breathtaking views of the rugged terrain. After a day of exploration, soak in natural hot springs, heated by the geothermal forces beneath the surface. These hot springs provide a perfect way to relax and rejuvenate while surrounded by the stunning scenery. Witness the raw power of nature at its most primal. The Kamchatka Peninsula is a place where the forces of nature are both beautiful and awe-inspiring, a reminder of the Earth's untamed spirit. This is a journey to the edge of the world, a remote and wild land that beckons to those with a spirit of adventure. The Kamchatka Peninsula offers an unparalleled experience, a chance to connect with nature in its most unspoiled form. From the fiery peaks of its volcanoes to the icy waters of its rivers, Kamchatka is a land of contrasts and extremes, a true testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Section 9. Vanuatu, Journey to the Center of the Earth, Volcanoes. The word conjures images of fire and fury, but in Vanuatu you can get up close and personal with these geological giants. Descend into the crater of Mount Yasser, an active volcano. Feel the heat on your face as molten lava explodes into the night sky. It's a thrilling, humbling experience.
Section 10. The mystical charm of Bhutan. High in the Himalayas, nestled among snow-capped peaks, lies Bhutan. This tiny kingdom is a world apart. Ancient monasteries cling to cliff faces. Prayer flags flutter in the wind. The air is thick with the scent of incense. Trek through pristine forests. Experience the serenity of Buddhist culture. This is a journey for the soul.
Conclusion. Embrace the unknown. Discover your own hidden gem. The world is full of hidden wonders, waiting to be discovered. Step off the beaten path. Embrace the unknown. You might just find yourself surprised by what you discover. Who knows? Maybe you'll even find your own hidden gem. The adventure starts now.